I got something.
Ma'am, I received the item yesterday. Pinirman ko pa nga. So, where is it now? Dito ko mismo iniwan sa message center. Received items. It's not here. Besides, bakit mo kasi dito iniwan? Unspoken rule na nakapag-importanteng bagay. Idiretso mo sa table ko. Baka na-misplace lang o may nakakampot Miss Perino.
Drew something on the wall?
Security?
They will put something on
Could
the
be
wall.
anything, okay? Hindi
And
ko
then the wall will
happen.
be broken
Besides,
into two.
no.
Is that okay?
Most importantly,
No, not okay.
don't tell Governor Acosta na. Wala sa
Because it is called. Oh, what's that word again? I forgot. One minute.
Sakto naman din sa ganito.
Dude, run away. What is he gonna do? What? Okay, we've got some live action. Live action.
Ulitin, kay occasion sa ano. Ano sa ba na sila sa gawa?
And it's in He's breaking the wall. He's breaking the wall. The wall has been broken. Look at that wall. Look at that wall. Look at that. Zoom. Look at that wall right there. Look.
Desisyon ko to.
Wow. He's hammering the wall.
Naka-video mo.
Pero parang maulit
What's the music?
sa panigo, anong gagawin mo? Lagi mo sinasabi sa akin na
Tutulungan ko si Sky.
Si Bubag, bilhin sa squad.
Looking at the wall, hindi ka mapapuli. And it's been raining in Manila, hindi ako mababalik.
At sana, ay kapuntahan yung ginawa.
And it's been raining in Manila, hindi ako nababalik.
Kahit papatalsik pa ako sa trabaho dyan.
And it's raining in Manila, hindi na wala babalik. A steady
Balik ka kayo, magawa sa pagkakas.
Do not make.
Yan ang masuko mo rin sa tao.
Oy.
Sa?
Bakit tahimik ka dyan? Paano? Ginawa mo kasalanan na.
I have to feel
Wala
of
mo.
that
Ano wala man?
noise.
Wala akong kanina doon sa mga
Eh,
toilet
dahil
na.
no aircon na.
Ako,
No
What?
aircon.
Eh, nakita mo
At
ba
this
na-
hole right here.
Look.
Look at this big hole.
Kahit na. Ayaw
Look at the hole.
Eh, no? May oras naman tayo kanina eh.
Tandaan mo to, ha?
Yeah, the hole.
Ikaw
The
gusto mo
hole.
siya. Ano mo yung mo?
Right there. That's a hole. That's a little hole.
Gamit mo ganyan mo yung electric fan.
That's a literal hole. A literal hole right there, I say. A literal hole. Literally.
May kailangan na ako impact sa'yo eh.
Hi, Coach.
Kaya lang. Oh, sige. Okay.
It's right there. It's right there. It's right there. Right there. Yeah. Right there. I give you the vision. The hole's right.
Merienda. Pampataba ng uta.
Tayo po. Matibay yung encryption ng file nito ah. Hirap eh ha? Teka.
Who's holding it?
Ayan. Pasok!
And pasok! Ken, don't aim that thing.
Ito, grabe vlogger. May sakanak din.
Kapag na-miss mo, pwede balikan
Recording.
ng video sa playlist.
Hashtag recording.
Like, comment, share ang videos kasama ng lumalaki natin pamilya sa online world.
Is it okay for me to record?
Wherever tayong kapamilya, Kapamilya Online Live.
Okay.
Ano? May ano? Di ba magpa-music ka, te?
And it's been raining in Manila, hindi.
Nagdayo na siya, nanangid na siya.
Alright. Liking the moment.
Is it okay for me to record? It's not okay.
If I remember correctly, may warning ka natin.
Namin siya dila
7
kanina, bago
minutes.
na siya nilakaw.
It's been 7 minutes.
Dala man siya gapunto, pag-abri na ako.
8 minutes. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Hindi siya ganang haghangin, oy. Yung mapa.
16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Alam mo nang dahil ko,
Sit down, Cooper.
ano ang parents ko eh? Tama ka? Once sabihin ko, hindi niya kayo gusto. Pwede pa kayong kasuhan ng instruction of property. Gusto niyo yung warrant. Kaya lang mag-search ako ng kung anong punishment na. And, do not like it. So, you know, one of the acts. Pero sabihin mo siya, ito naman kailangan ko. Sige, 5 years. Sige, nag-iintay eh. Ito kasi oh. Hindi mo pwede yun. Sige. Hindi sa suspension. Kung anong 50K rate is very minute. Mostly will be may academics late for a month. At ikaw naman.
Hashtag saving the moment. What is happening? I'm not.
Everything.
Together?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's see what I'm doing. Huh. continue.
Bakit mo kasi?
Dad's still sleeping?
Yeah.
How can we sleep at this time? No, 2.0 is too low, too low. A bit like this. What are you doing?
You adjust. Oh, look at that. It's so very bright.
Tao po!
Ano po yun?
Baka nandito po si Toro, hindi po siya sumasagot sa mga tawag ko eh.
Naku, matagal na hindi dito yung nakatira.
Can you record the sun?
Kaya pinalayas na lang lady. Ay, miss, baka meron kang kilalang.
Mm.
Mag-hack ng password sa Naku, wala ko. Sipag lang yun. Isipan kanino bago ka magkaalaman. Gusto mo nga ganun na ako ngayon eh.
Hindi!
11%. Great.
12 minutes naman na. Maybe you should stop. No, it's very more time.
And the bottom is the aircon, I guess.
No, that's the aircon, no?
Wait, really? Then what's this bottom here?
Wala, it's empty.
Empty? And they put a big box over here.
Empty.
Empty.
Guys, check it out.
Ah, there's this white stuff right here. And it's been raining and I in it. Wow, so you can upgrade. Wait. Look at this. Wait, unsa na? Oh, that. Wait, unsa na?
Sensa na. See, it's like that. Look at it.
It's cool.
Phoebe!
Evie. What was the other one's name?
Phoebe.
No, I mean the fluffy one. Oh, sorry. Phoebe, Eve, and Sean. Wait, Adam and Eve.
Wala may boy sa ila ah. They're all-
Yeah, I know, they are girls.
Unsa na?
Unsa na?
Na, iwan kang alis mo. Unsa na? Unsa na? Ay,
Nag-eat og chocolate.
bigyan ako na bet.
Mm.
Kato nang murag stick no, nga wood. Itong murag good.
The first chapter. Mag-record man po. And it's been raining and money
Kwarto ito.
Nag-record ko.
Para sa ay. Ayaw na ko apil-apilaan na kaya
I'm just
kita.
recording that.
Ako binaglakulo ko ng dito.
Hashtag recording. Toblerone? Toblerone?
Sige nga. No. How many? Okay. Yun na lang.
Mag-stop ko recording.
Later na.